All right, guys, welcome back to the channel for another piece of Audi RS5 content. So you guys know I have the Performance Catback Exhaust Touring Edition. And I guess it had these. These are the factory exhaust valve motors. As you can see, I took both of them off. And you can see the plate was just installed onto the stock motor, and it gives it that distance of travel that the valve would do and fakes it. So basically every time I start the car, these would click, 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 click for almost 30 seconds. And I have just purchased on eBay these simulators. They are the 4-wire ones that match the car, because I guess previous exhaust valves on Audis used to be 3-wire. These ones are the 4. I installed it right there. I just plugged the connector into the simulator and I zip tied it to this little piece of plastic. And then also same with the other side here. Just plugged it in and zip tied it so that it doesn't move. And now I have no soft code, no code whatsoever, and I have no clicks. So that's the solution for that. I will put the link in the description, and I will show you a picture of the page where I purchased it at. All right, guys, here's the info for you. Here's the part that I purchased. It's not listed for a RS5, but I emailed him and messaged him on eBay before I purchased, and he confirmed it will work for mine. So here, let me show you his page. It is AC connectivity, and he is in the United Kingdom. And also, as you see, he sells other simulators. The reason I only use the connector is because I have an aftermarket exhaust that deletes these valves completely. But if you had a stock exhaust and wanted to just have the valve stay open but not throw a code, you would just plug the simulator in itself, and then these butt connectors that he sends you go right into here. As you can see, you just take these little blank butts that he gives you and clicks right in, and it stops any moisture or debris from getting in the connector of the factory valve if you were to keep these, because you had some other configuration other than the aftermarket exhaust that deletes the valves completely. So this is a nice solution, guys. Hope it helps some of you guys out. It took me a while to find this, but I'm sure there's gonna be more coming, but give this guy some love. They're not too expensive. It was only about 40 bucks, and I think it was worth it. I was getting sick of hearing the click, 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 click. That thing just go back and forth. Well, all right, guys. Hope this helped some of you out. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Any questions, talk to me in the comments. All right, on to the next one.